Before lust destroys your mind, and stop scrolling and listen. You think you're in control. But what if lust is the one controlling you? It starts small. A glance, a thought, a just once moment. And suddenly your focus, peace, and purpose begin to fade away. Lust isn't just a desire, and it's a mental trap. It hijacks your motivation, drains your energy, and replaces real connection with temporary pleasure. You start losing sleep, focus, and even self-respect, all for a few seconds of escape. Every time you give in, it rewires your brain, making it harder to feel joy, peace, or clarity again. Ask yourself honestly, how many dreams, goals, and relationships have died because of this? You can't fill an empty heart with temporary satisfaction. Lust promises pleasure, but delivers emptiness. And the scariest part? The more you feed it, the more it consumes you. But here's the truth most people don't realize. You can take your power back. Replace lust with purpose, replace craving with discipline. Start with simple steps. Limit triggers, redirect your focus, pray, journal, exercise, and remind yourself who you were before this addiction started. Real strength isn't saying yes, and it's learning when to say no. Control your mind before it controls you, because once you master your desires, nothing can destroy your peace.